Hi guys, once again I am here with a very important update regarding Accenture Day 1. Okay, so the candidate has got a survey mail before that, and today he received here Day 1 mail from Accenture, and the location is Chennai. Okay, so he got his survey mail I think 1 or 2 days before, and today he got his mail regarding Day 1. And I would like to tell you that his role is ASE. Okay, so for ASE role the domain is Salesforce. He got his date of joining today. So those who have still not got need not to worry. Candidate are getting, they are just getting their onboarding mail. So what actually Accenture tell in a mail that they are pleased to extend you to join Accenture on the 25th, and to enable a seamless joining experience please provide the required information on touchpoint.accenture.com by latest by 14th August. So he received today only. Okay, as you can see the timing is 10:30 a.m. So did he completed his pre-learning module before getting his day one joining onboarding mail? No. He even not completed any pre-learning module, any primer, nothing, and he directly got his onboarding mail that is for day one at Chennai. So need not to worry. And also I would like to tell you that location preference is also getting changed. Okay, suppose you got a survey mail regarding new location office of Accenture, and you want to change your location from one to another. Suppose you selected firstly at a Bangalore and then you want to change it to a Gurgaon, then it will also be accepted, and you will get location change mail confirmation from their end. So need not to worry for location and all. And the onboarding will be virtual, need not to worry for that. And the mail is coming from onboarding.doc.ac, and those who have still not received any kind of a mail, you will receive it for sure. Please stick to the channel, we will update you once Accenture starts sending bulk mail for onboarding.